I wrote a little something. I have a confession to make. I have a confession to make. For years, I've been not replying to you. I've had thousands of comments and questions about tile DIY struggles, and I left you hanging. The buck stops here. I take full responsibility. Why? Honestly, I was overwhelmed and I had no idea how many people had replied. I really didn't until I started going through my channel and sprucing it up. Then I seen all the replies. I was like shocked. I was overwhelmed. All you people responded to my videos and I had no clue. Not when I first started. Not at all. I'm a master tile setter, not a tech guy. Not at all. I had to learn all this stuff when I first started. I had no knowledge, computer, nothing. A lot of YouTube videos. I got some new AI tools in my belt now, and I'm finally digging through the archives to answer you. And I will hopefully get to you. I've been going through, I'm up to 3 years so far, so be patient. My plan is to answer all my replies. I don't care how many there are, and there's quite a few. I got 14 years. I went through 3 almost, and I got 11 more years to go. So I don't know how many are there. I'm doing a complete remodel of my channel, doing a facelift on old thumbnails, better description of videos, and editing old content that so will help you with your projects with ease and confidence. I'm organizing a library, creating new playlists, and I'm getting serious about helping you get professional results. Learn it once, do it right forever. But here's the biggest change. You know I love sharing my faith in fitness, but I realized it was confusing for people who just wanted to know how to grout a shower or tile a splash, do a DIY project, and I could go on and on, but I won't. If you want the spiritual and fitness side of Dave, I pray you do. You got to go subscribe to my new channel, Faith with Dave and Christina. That's right, my wife. You'll see her. The link is below. This channel right here, right now, it's staying 100% construction DIY in tiling. I'm going to throw you some scripture. Proverbs 27:17, as iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another one. Feel free to sharpen me in the comments, and I know you will. If you want, and I hope you do, drop a comment below, even if you commented years and years ago, say hi. I'm getting to know you people by I'm reading your comments, and I'm replying to them one at a time. And I'm watching all my old videos. I'm starting from the old ones and going through all of them. See where I can cut the fat and make it better for you guys. I'm watching now. Let's get to work. That's what I got to do. You have a great day, a blessed day, and I'm going back to work because that's what I do.